Today I'm going to give you a kitchen tour. Let's start now. So this is my sink. You can just wash the dishes and put the stuff here that you want to cook. Next, this is the stove. Click it and it cooks everything for you. This is the oven. I'm gonna cook something right now, and then it's gonna be some meat. And then when I close it, it makes this noise.
That noise means it's cooking.
Yeah, and so now it's cooked. So now the meat is cooked. And then there's another way. So there's another way you can put the meat in the stove, make the stove on, and then it's gonna cook it for you. Let me put it back in the stove. So it's done cooking, and that's why I like the stove and the oven better. So the meat is done. I'm just going to leave it there, and then now I'm going to wash some pineapple. So the pineapple's ready. This is how the pineapple is. I'm just going to go wash one more food. This is inside of my fridge. I'm just going to get one more. So these are the pineapples. I took one from there. Now I'm going to take one strawberry and then wash it with the pineapple. Put the strawberry there and the pineapple. Oops. And now I'm going to wash it. Oopsie. Let me turn on the lights again. Oh, the lights turned back on. Oh, when I turn on the sink, it turns it off. Okay, so now the strawberry and pineapple are done, and the meat is done. So that means they're all ready, and now I'm gonna eat it. Watch me eat in a swing, because it's fun to rest in a swing, you know. It's super fun. So I'm gonna put it here. Elsa, would you like to feed me? Because I'm holding the swing.
Okay.
Hi guys, it's me, Elsa. So these are the foods, and then I'm gonna feed Pocahontas with it. Her name's Pocahontas, by the way. Okay, let me fix you in the swing, since you cooked and cleaned. And I'm gonna take this chair and sit and then feed you. Or should I say I'll stand up instead? So this is, and also, Pocahontas forgot to show you one last thing. For example, here's another oven. I'm gonna take another meat and put it in the oven. This is how much the oven is. So cute.
It has the same noise as the other oven.
Yeah. And the meat is ready. That's why. So let me trash the meat. Ooh, look at our new TV. And now, let's feed out. Let's feed. You want the pineapple or the strawberry first?
Pineapple.
Okay. I know you're the pineapple lover. Okay, trash that pineapple. Here's a strawberry.
Elsa, I need to tell you something.
What?
Thanks for feeding me.
You're welcome. Okay. So this is how the swing works. So I'm behind her, and now I'm pushing her. Whee! Oopsie, the lights turn off. Bye, that's the end of the kitchen tour.